What are we doing? Now you're going to want me to get up on this thing?
Yeah, you can say move up before you do. See how the nose is out? There you go. A little more. There you go. Now sit up. There you go. Yeah. There you go.
All right, man, kind of circle up a little bit if you can. Let's go and take a circle.
I hope this is working. I'm going to try and get everybody on my GoPro.
Somebody push Leslie in. Come on in, Leslie.
You're going to try and make a big circle, so can you come back? Can you? He told me to move up so that the nose was down a little bit, and then just push up. You want to stay like that, or you want to?
Go ahead and get up. I'll push you into the circle if you can't get in.
Push. You did it! Yay! Come on, Tracy. I'm working my way this way. See?
Remember the time Jeff rode his bike without his clothes on into the water?
I think we should get across there. No?
No.
Why would it be?
Wait. We got one.
Never.
You guys want to get tighter in or stay here?
Whoa, I'm moving in.
You'll never recreate the circle again. So let's just go around, make everybody have a comment, a story, a memory of Jeff real quick. Toss your carnation out. We got some ashes to sprinkle out here. I think a couple of us have some ashes to share.
I'd like to say that when I was younger in high school and Jeff rode his bike off that pier right over there, and then the next day, I think he got $10 for it. Not that quite much, but he got money from everybody. He rode his bike into the water, and he collected all of his money. The next morning, he came back down with a rope and pulled his bike out of the water. It was the smartest thing I ever saw. I still can't ever duplicate it.
Naked too.
Naked too. Okay, sorry you have to hear this, but thank you for sharing this. Wonderful.
Jeff was a very adventurous soul. He traveled all around the world, made models. He was a model for a while. He lived a grand life, and we should celebrate that today. He picked me up from the airport in Hawaii with beautiful women and lays for me. Great memory.
Lays mean flower? Flower?
To Haleiwa, where I looked at the waves like, well, that's nothing, man. Let's paddle out. Let's hit the waves. I thought it was some hot shot. Paddled out there, just got dumped. Walked into the beach. Jeff just laughed at me. I loved him. Celebrate Jeff.
Right on.
Yeah.
Oops.
I'd like to say that Jeff and I became better friends out of high school, and I was really pissed at him for taking my girlfriend away in high school, but I let it go. And, I know he's up there waiting for us. When I get up there,
do adventures, bay parties, and everything else. But I want to go back a little further because I didn't meet Jeff until almost 10th grade. And I'll start off with back in Naples days. We were all kids, 10 years old in 4th grade, and this girl about a foot taller than all of us with blonde hair, beautiful young woman showed up to our school, and we're like, wow, who is this? She looked like 5 or 8 years older than all of us, and none of us, we all thought she was beautiful, and everyone wanted to go out with her, be her boyfriend. 6th grade, 8th grade, 9th grade. We were all boys. We were all boys, and she was a woman, and then she just said she met a man, and she met him the first week of 10th grade, and he was beyond all of us. I think you guys will agree. I mean, you guys are gorgeous.
You might hear in 8th grade.
And probably did.
Couple, and I mean, everyone just remembers them, even though it was only 4 years. They're just everywhere together. You see the photos of them on Facebook. I mean, I was never that happy with my girlfriends in high school. So, it's just a great story from back then. But I became friends with Jeff and hung out with him a bit. But like Jimmy Wood said, I got to know him a lot better in the last 10 years because of some surf trips these guys put on. And I went to San Diego and Mexico with them, with Ken and Steve and me, Mike, and Steve here. And he has the biggest heart, and he really cares. And he'd always ask me about my kids, and we must have texted 100 times in the last 8 years. We bet on 5 Super Bowls. He won the first 4. I finally won the 5th one a year ago, and I probably shouldn't have bet against the quarterback of our high school. But he was a stud. No one could say the guy wasn't a fantastic looking guy. He was so nice, and I looked back through about 40 texts last night, and every one of them said, "Hey amigo," can't say it with this, "Hey amigo," and they always ended with "Love you brother," "Love at you bro," and he was like that in person. Every time I'd see him, it was a hug, and always said "I love you," and he's a special guy. And for your family members, I know you're gonna miss him so much. Everyone is, but he was a great guy, and I'm glad I got to know him a lot better these last 8 years. So you, Jeff. Sorry I was so
Thank you.
long-winded.
That's okay.
And I already said something, but I do remember too when I was in Hawaii and I went to Jeff and Leslie's house. Jeff was parking cars, and I'll never forget when he was standing there telling jokes the whole time. And then we'd go out and go surfing out at Waikiki. And really great time.
Well, I want to thank everybody for being here. If you'd like to pass, this was some of his ashes. So if everybody just, we have more. So everybody just pass the bag and let everybody kind of tip some around. I want to thank everybody. I know he was loved. And we're so honored and grateful that everybody's here. And I'm sorry if I'm emotional, but I miss him. I truly miss him. So, love you, Jeff, and where you belong. Yes.
Jeff wanted his ashes scattered in as many oceans as possible, right?
Thank you.
Told your mother?
Yes.
And there would be little bags at the
Yes.
house at the reception afterwards for some of you who might have been traveling anywhere, different oceans.
Or just take them, just take some, and in any lake, ocean, river, he wants to be in as many places around the world. That was his last dream. So please, when you come by, or wherever you find that he deserves to be, he would be honored to have his friends and family place him there. Thank you. Am I making the party sour? Sorry. Well, good. I'm glad I'm not the only one.
Belmont Bears and stuff, and they all had their things
just one thing I do remember about him is he lived life to the fullest every day of his life.
Spirit of Jeff lives on through all of us. You gotta remember that. Stay positive, stay happy no matter what. These last few days, it's still so positive. Life is gonna be beautiful. He's gonna be out there riding his board, surfing Florida, California, traveling around the world. He has to remember that on his side of that positive nature, Jeff. He's up there, like those are the gods right now.
Now who's gonna make the drink? Not me. Go ahead. That's your job. You're now going to take his place.
And I think I saw this.
Yes.
Yeah.
And while everybody's splashing, I will just keep dumping.
All right, let's swim down to the pier.
To the bridge and back.
Okay, whoever wins.
Thank you everybody for being here.
Good. Gambling all right? Look at you looking like a master over there. Marlon spinning around. Did you record that?
What's that?
Are you recording?
Yeah. Absolutely. I hope it was.
Your husband's so tech savvy, huh?
I hope.
You hope it worked?
I hope I had my head in the right. I tried to go up and down so that everybody would eventually be in the middle of the picture. So.
We'll be able to see that at all?
Yeah, I think he'll try and be able to hook it up when we get up there at the house.
Did you get any photos from anybody?
I got some from Leslie and his girlfriend that he lived with in Indiana. Cindy, yeah. And then a bunch that we had. So yeah, we put a bunch of stuff together.
Yeah.
That was nice. Sorry if I got I had my whole speech spelled out. I got the words out.
Really, what's your emotions out? This was really hard, but you guys have been so
Well,
solid.
and not only that,
I can't imagine.
my boss 2 weeks ago just lost his grandson.
Little things happen in groups like that. It's funny how things happen in groups like that. Hopefully there'll be a lot of positive stuff happening.
Yes. Yeah. Well, it brought a lot of friends together, and I think that's what he would have wanted. He did what he wanted.